Hello, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to our 11th Around the World Block of the Month destination. This month we're traveling to India. In this video, I'm going to share tips to help you piece your block. This month's block features the Taj Mahal, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Located in the city of Agra, most of the construction of this beautiful white marble structure was completed in 1648. It was commissioned by Shah Jahan as a memorial to his wife. In addition to this video, please be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern, as well as other links included below, including foundation paper piecing video tutorials and previous month's videos. Let's get started. Be sure to pay attention to your fabric swatch chart when cutting your fabric pieces and then assigning them to your paper pieces. You'll see on the paper pieces and in the chart that the background of the block is unshaded and that the building is shaded. Since I decided to do the reverse for my block as far as value with fabric and make my background a darker blue fabric and my building a light fabric, I just had to pay extra attention to when I was cutting my fabric and then paper piecing. Just be mindful, go slow, and you'll do great. You can also take a pencil and always write in as a reminder what color fabric you're using on the paper pieces. There are a number of paper pieces required to achieve all of the detail in this block, but in many of them there's only 2 or 3 sections to fill up, so you'll go quickly. There are some fine details in this block, like the little spires in pieces H and Z. I recommend going a bit slower sewing these type of sections so that you achieve the slim point and then other details. When joining the paper pieces, just be sure to match the dots and go slow, and you can use the positioning pinning technique described in the pattern as well as previous videos. This will help keep your building and the towers nice and symmetrical, and they'll also help you align the columns. I can't wait to see your India blocks come together. Thanks again for being here and sewing along with us. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And also be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Around the World hashtags found on the pattern. That way we could see what you're working on. See you next month and happy sewing.